What's up, guys? It's Deepak Shukla here again, co-founder actually at Serpwizz. I should give my partner, of course, Shripad, a shout. But today we're looking at URL structure. So it's a pretty simple explanation to this degree. Ultimately, what we're looking for with the link URLs is just to see whether they've got anything funny in them. So that might be like underscores, that might be hyphens, it might be a combination of letters and phone numbers. So where and when anything appears that's like a funny looking URL, you'll ultimately be able to discuss the importance of changing that for your client. Now, of course, if they've got a dynamic URL that changes based upon a search, then that's going to throw an error here. But certainly, for the most part, it should be the case that if you're looking across the site, especially the top level domain, it should be a URL that's pretty much straightforward for a search engine to read. And where it isn't, it's something to really discuss with your client about the importance of search engine friendly URLs and also user friendly URLs, so people can look at it and get a sense of what the page is actually about and what's going on. So as you can see, it's 10 characters, we've also said there. And if it's, I don't know, like 100 characters, then again, I think that could potentially throw, I beg your pardon, I mean, grapes could throw an error. So do think about your URL structures and keeping them clear, simple, and straightforward. And trying to think if there's anything else more to tell you about URL structures. I don't think there is. I hope that that's straightforward enough. If you've got any questions, of course, with this video, then just let me know. All right, thank you, guys.